Hey, Courtney. Hi, Clarence. I just came back upstairs. I went down. It's Saturday morning. Turned on the TV, and no fun Saturday morning cartoons. I guess it is 2024, and I'm about 30 years too late for that. But that doesn't mean if we work together, we can make something that could work. Just don't need anybody. All right, ingredients for Saturday morning cartoons. Need a TV remote, a nice bowl of cereal, something sugary, marshmallowy, and preferably that comes with a fun prize. Random fridge magnet, random vial of the X gene. I mean, well, and oh, it's like Clarence knew my favorite Saturday morning cartoon. It looks like we have a lot to be going through. That's a good thing because we have a few weeks until the premiere of X-Men 97. So I say, we start opening. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. This is Cornelius. And I think Clarence has a tummy ache, so we're putting him down here. And today, we're going a little new school and a little old school with a bunch of Magneto helmets. First, we are bringing you the Magneto accessory playset from toybiz, also from 1994. We also are bringing you the X-Men Marvel Legends from X-Men 97 Magneto helmet that just came out by Hasbro. So I figured we could do a little compare and contrast from 1994 to 2024. I love that the kid on this box has a family at this point. This was one of 3 dress-up sets, including a Wolverine and a Cyclops, which have some sort of visor thing, I guess. So this is not just a helmet belt face mask. It's also some sort of Magneto glove that launches metal. Wow. This is like time traveling here. Okay, so I do believe originally it came with 3 discs. This one was like brand new condition, but only had 2 discs. That's fine. It's me. I'll probably lose them all by the end of this video anyway. Caution. Helmet/mask is not a real protective device. It does not provide any protection in the event of an accident. So, don't go wearing this on the construction site. Okay, well, first of all, so it has a Velcro strap that just barely fits. Okay, other than my hair sticking out the top from front view, it almost fits better than my Magneto helmet. And this. Alright, more Velcro straps. Alright, not exactly comic accurate, but still pretty cool. How? So you put the disc in the front, this pulled back, and now, oh god, there's a red button. Hello, red button? Okay, you can tell this was back from the 90s. Those are just really hard plastic discs. They're not rubber, there's no padding, so be careful. Ow. My hand just barely fits in here. The edge is rubber, I guess. Hopefully you're not bludgeoning anybody with this. I gotta say, the fact that I wasn't actively running around with this as a child, I'm not sure how I missed this. Magneto being my favorite. Magneto was right. This is a pretty cool little setup. These little discs are actually cool. It has a little Magneto helmet emblem on it with a little extra shine. Even there was just Magneto everywhere. He's very full of himself. I gotta say, for 1994, this is pretty amazing. Now we jump many decades into the present. Ugh. You know what? Can you be Magneto? No, you cannot. Your head is way too fat. And again, I was very excited for the X-Men 97 Marvel Legends Magneto helmet. So excited I didn't really read all the description to find out that the brand new product I bought did not come in its original box. But I present to you the newest Magneto helmet. Now all the pieces are still intact, so I'm not quite sure what else we're getting into. Oh my god, there's little pieces of things everywhere. It looks like we are, alright, putting those together. Okay. This is kind of amazing. Well, first, you know what we have to do. I love it. Oh, it's quite the echo. I'm taking off right away because the echo in there, I have no idea what you're hearing versus what I'm hearing. This is pretty awesome. Now, that was just the initial put on. It does come with a bunch of foam. I love how they chose purple. That you can add to the inside to get it to fit your face and your head. I will say for me, unfortunately it is very, well, large. I feel I look more like the Juggernaut than Magneto. But what it is cool, even if say, I mean, any chance to be Magneto, I probably will use this for my cosplay. You get this. It is this awesome stand that you can use to display the helmet, which is probably the main purpose why I got it. It is pretty sturdy. I'd still be a little careful with the horns. It's definitely better than my last helmet. That is currently missing one, if not both horns. So here we have the Magneto helmet from Toybiz in 1994, and the Magneto helmet from Hasbro in 2000. Well, I think maybe it was 2023, but from then and now. Definitely an upgrade in quality. I will say though, this came with a cool little launcher, and I'm kind of enjoying that fact. But overall, this is kind of nice because with it just being the mask, it's totally getting mounted on my wall. This one, coming with the stand and having this 3D replica, is going to get sit on a shelf, probably surrounded by AlexiAction figures. And looking around, I have some rearranging to do to fit it all. But that's part of the fun, is constantly rearranging to fit new toys. Overall, both being a win. Well, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Well, we saw. Clarence went a little excited, and I think he's also ready for the new X-Men cartoon coming out in a few weeks. So, looks like it's gonna be a lot of X-Men to celebrate the show. And you know what? I'm completely fine with that. Thanks so much. Bye! See, it's good that it only came with 3 discs, because I only shot and broke probably 2 things instead of 3. And now I have no discs because I have no idea where they went. And here we have our pair of Magneto helmets from the 90s and from the 2020s. With the giant fist. Oh, I'm gonna be Magneto so much. Magneto was right.